You're welcome back. In this section, we'll be looking at the partnership accounts. A partnership is governed by a partnership agreement or a partnership deed. The content of this agreement has a great influence on how the accounts of the partnership are prepared and presented. The contents of the partnership agreement include the following. 1. The capital to be contributed by each partner. The ratio in which the profits or losses are to be shared. The rate of interest, if any, to be paid on capital before the profits are shared. The rate of interest, if any, to be charged on partners' drawings. The salaries to be paid to partners. Arrangement for the admission of new partners. And finally, procedures to be carried out when a partner retires or dies. In the next video, we will look at each of these contents one by each and assess how they will affect the partnership accounts. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.